Everyone, we're going to be doing an unboxing, kind of a review of the, what is this, the Biokips bakeware container set. And the reason I bought it is because I am doing a little bit of baking, not a lot, but I bought a 10-pound bag of sugar, and it's just a nightmare to try to stick the measuring cups in there, and you don't have enough room, and the bag tears. And then the other thing, I bought a bag of flour, and because I'm a guy, I don't know how to open up bags, and so I was trying to unroll the top of the bag, and I ended up putting a little tear in there, and the flour is flying all over the place. So I just thought, you know, I want to find a container that's going to be big. The problem is when you buy containers, I mean, they're so big they take up more room than the little bag that you had. You just get to the point where you want something to be easy to use when you're measuring, and, oh, I can't even open this. You want it to be easy to use, and you want it to be air sealed, so you don't have all these anything coming in. So let me go open this thing up. As I said, this is going to be an unboxing. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like. Wow, how many things come in this? If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. If you want to donate to my channel to keep it going, ask for my PayPal info. And Happy New Year, everybody. So what in the world did I get here? The reason I bought this is because the reviews online were so good, and also because there are a lot of products out there where the reviews were absolutely terrible. So I just thought, okay, so these seem to be the best reviews. People seem to be happy. All right, so let me go look and see what I bought right now. I got a lot of containers. Okay, so it's the type sealer. You know, I'm familiar with this because they sell containers like this. Ooh, little section over there. They sell containers like this at Costco, little storage containers, and I don't know if you're able to burp these like you could with the old Tupperware to burp out the air. I would assume they're about as airtight as you're going to get. So, what sizes does this come in? Okay, so we've got some basic info over there on the modules, how to lock, a lot of this, wash before use, before using, avoid abrasive cleansers, do not use in conventional oven or grill, obviously. Okay, so what sizes does it come in? Okay, so it says air and water tight food container, space saving, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. I would never put this in a microwave, but I don't know if I'd put it in a freezer, but at least you can. So those are the, oh, okay, so I got 4 of one size and 2 of the other. I was trying to figure out what the heck did I buy. Okay, so we've got 4 of these, and which means that we're going to have 2 more inside here, and in the other one, and we're going to have another one inside there. So something like this, I don't remember. I believe the reason I bought it is because people were saying, can you put a 5-pound bag of flour in there? And the answer was yes. Now, when I bake, as I said, trying to get a measuring spoon into a 5-pound bag of flour is just not the easiest thing. So I wanted something that had a wide opening, a wide top, and this looks like it's going to do exactly what I need. So I can probably put my 5 pounds of sugar in here, my 10 pounds of sugar in here, I would think. If not, I've got 4 of these. I should be able to get my sugar in there. The ultimate for me would be to be able to get my sugar in there, my baking soda. I bought a big king-size bag of baking soda at Costco. Probably going to have to leave it in there because this is going to be for the flour, one's going to be for the sugar, and then I've got 4 extra to fill up with whatever I need until I finish using what I used, or what I need. Did that make sense? Okay, so what do we have here? We've got the, looks like a little rubber gasket. It's probably not a rubber gasket. I don't know what material it is, but it's a gasket that's going to seal on there, and close it down. This, it's firm, it's secure. You know, there's some things that are out there that I would be worried to put 5 pounds of flour in, because if I would touch it, I would think the sides would cave in. But with this material is really nice. It is, I believe everything today is non-BPA, so the top feels secure. It doesn't feel like it's caving in. The sides feel secure. I like the bottom. They look good. They're smooth. I'm happy. I'm happy with what I've got. I'm going to go wash them and transfer all my flour and sugar into this. So that's the sealing thing. It just pops underneath the bottom of the container. So yeah, the price was reasonable. You don't buy things like this that often. That's the whole thing. People worry about price. You're going to buy this thing and it's going to work for years and years and years. And so if it ends up costing you, if the thing lasts for a few years and it costs you $5 a year, you really made out and you got away with a good deal. So I'm sure this is going to last longer than that, but this is going to take care of a huge problem for me. Probably a big problem for a lot of other people that bake and cook. You could put candy in here. You could put cookies in here. You could, I think you could put liquid in here. It feels fairly secure. This would be great for the holiday. Put some turkey in here and some gravy or stuffing and put it in the fridge. So overall, I'm looking at these containers that I might want to get some others. This is perfect for kitchen storage for the refrigerator. I mean, these are really nice. Something like this, you could pop cereal in there. I'm sure the company sells other sizes besides this. But refrigerator-wise, you'd be able to see what's in there. In the cabinet, your flour, your sugar, you'd have an airtight seal. So what does it say? Biokips? Biokips by Komax? Yeah, this is cool. In this package, this has 1.6 liter, 4 containers, 3.6 liter, 2 containers. And if you live in the U.S. like I do, then you go and you look at the 54 ounce and the 121 ounce, which really doesn't tell you much. But brown sugar, flour, speckles for your baking, chocolate morsels. This is awesome. And it's about time I bought something like this after all these years. So, again, thanks for watching. And happy baking, everybody. One final thing I wanted to say. Perfect for dog food. I've got a dog. I'm going to show her on the video in 2 seconds. She's sitting here watching me record this, and that's what reminded me of it. When you buy the dog food, if you buy kibble, you buy it in the bags, and those aren't airtight at all. So, and the stuff is made to last for a year, but it's your dog. You want to keep it fresh. So, get a container like this, put the dog food in there, seal it up. It's going to make it easy. You can see how much food is left. It's going to keep it fresh for the dog, and so I'm going to put the link, I'm going to put the Amazon link down in the description, and let me show you the pooch. That's my beautiful little rescue dog sitting there saying, hey, I'm smiling for the camera. I know, she's got a big happy face. Okay, there we are. I'm going to go take her outside now and take her over to Mom's so she can see her. It's a little warm out here by the door, and she's just been a good girl watching me record about the containers. And I'm going to be cleaning one of them and putting her dog food in there later. So, hey, take care of your dogs. Use this for your dog food. It really is a neat container for that, too.